Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry. I know, it was an accident.
What happened?
Sorry. I threw the shark in his head.
Oh.
Sorry, buddy. I know. I was trying to put it in the
Yeah.
in the box.
The camera was just moving in a real.
Sawyer, can you put a ring on? Look. 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 Harrison, can you take a break from the Legos?
It's part of the atmosphere. I don't want to record that.
The constant swishing. Did you do it? You put another ring on? Here. Look. You put that one on? Yeah, you can do it. Oh, ouch. Can you put another ring on? Here. Look. Now put this one on. Yeah, you can do it. Put that one on. What is that? Yeah, I see it. I see it. Can you put it on there? Look, here, put the rings on first. Yeah, you got it. Good job. Let me see. Good job. Good job, buddy. Can you clap? Yay. Can you clap?
It's not working.
Are you going to help him?
Say. This is how you put it in. Say.
Can you let him do some? Let him do some. Look, he can do it. Good job, buddy.
Here, say.
Here, let him put it on.
Say. Say is taking it off.
Good job.
Why did it
Oh, I see it. No. No, Campbell, don't.
I just.
See, he's doing it. Sawyer, you're so smart.
Can I see?